guys, it's Connor Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be making Copycat Texas Roadhouse rolls and their honey cinnamon butter.
They're so good, they're fluffy. If you're like us, when we go there, we can't stop eating them.
Yeah. And they're pretty easy. I mean,
Yeah.
feed a lot of people with them, and you could freeze them, right? Save them for later.
Yeah. Be nice to freeze them for holidays. If you want more recipes like this, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.
And when you subscribe, be sure to click the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, I recommend a stand mixer. We've got the KitchenAid here to mix everything in. So we're going to start out with 4 teaspoons of dry active yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/2 cup of warm water. So we're going to stir that together and put it in the mixer. Mix it on low just to get it dissolved. Okay, then we're going to leave this sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting on the yeast to rise, we're going to scald 2 cups of milk because it has to cool down. So you just bring it to a boil and then just take it off the burner and let it cool down. Okay, all right, now that our milk's cooled down, we're going to add 2 eggs. Half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and then we're going to pour that into the mixer with our yeast. We'll go ahead and mix that a little bit. Three tablespoons of butter, melted but cooled down. And then we're going to add the flour, 2 cups at a time. We have 7 cups all together. We're going to switch attachments. We've got, we're supposed to have the hook one, but I don't have that one, so I'm just going to use this one. So you want to gradually add the 7 cups of flour in. Okay, so it unlock it, and if we can get our beater out now. Okay, so I'm going to cover it with a clean towel, and then for probably about 45 minutes we're going to check it after that. Leave it set. Okay, to make the honey cinnamon butter, you want to have 1 stick of butter softened, and add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 cup of honey. That smells good. I'm just going to mix it with the hand mixer. Looks good. Smells good. Set that aside till we get our rolls baked. Okay, so our dough's doubled in size, so we're ready to roll it out. We're going to split it in half, and we're going to bake half of it on this baking pan, and then I'm going to try doing some in the cupcake pan. So I'm going to show you the 2 different ways, and you can choose whichever one you want. Okay, first you want to punch it down, and then we'll split it in half. And first we're going to put our flour on our surface. And I'm going to put about half the dough. So you just want to just knead it a little bit. We've got our oven preheated to 350. Okay, so we're ready to roll it out. About a 1/2 inch in thickness. So I'm going to use the pizza cutter so we can make it into a rectangle. And then, oops, I went too straight. And we're just going to cut them in squares. Lay it on our grease baking sheet. Some are bigger than others. Then we're just going to set it aside, cover it again, set it in a warm spot, and let it rise again for about 15 minutes. What I'm going to do is just pinch off and make like a Parker House roll. I think it's called Parker, not Parker House, just Parker, right? Just like do this and put one more in there. Try this and see. Okay, I got all these rolls rolled out, so I'm going to cover them and put them in a warm place and leave them set about 15 minutes and they'll be ready to bake. Okay, so they're ready to bake now. So we're gonna bake them at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes till golden brown. So we'll set the timer for 15 minutes and check them. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so we're gonna get them out and brush. I have about 4 tablespoons of melted butter here. I'm gonna brush on them as soon as you get them out. Okay, I'm gonna put these rolls in now. And we'll bake them about 15 minutes.
Okay guys, that's it for our Texas Roadhouse Rolls video.
If you make these, let us know if they turn out.
And also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more good recipes.
If you want to see one of our other copycat recipes, just click here for the KFC coleslaw.
So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye.